And this is the video in which you see the conversion power of FlexiFunnels, because we keep telling you, right, that FlexiFunnels have a lot of conversion optimization features, but again, it's hard to visualize here, what exactly is the impact of conversion optimization features of FlexiFunnels, like split testing, bump offer, social proof, triple threat timers, Facebook CAPI, source tracking. There are so many powerful conversion optimization features which are genuinely not available in any one single platform, and people have to pay different to different software companies to get all of these powers, right? So let's look at the impact that you get because of this, right? Let's suppose your website only has 10,000 monthly visitors, right? The data, let's look at the data. Just in the month of February, like one month, FlexiFunnels' own website has 1,75,000 monthly visitors. Over here we are looking at how much? 10,000 monthly visitors, right? Way too less. And by the way, just in the month of February 2026, FlexiFunnels customers had 10 crore visitors, right? So we are looking at only 10,000. Okay. Now let's suppose the number of people who come to your website, only 2% of them they buy your products. Not much, just 2%. Okay. And let's say your product price is 10,000 rupees. Now let's calculate the impact that FlexiFunnels save you, or the impact that FlexiFunnels gives you the extra money. Just because of using FlexiFunnels, you will be making an extra 6 lakh rupees. I want you to let that sink in, right? An extra 6 lakh rupees just because of using FlexiFunnels, nothing else, right? Because of so many conversion optimization features that we have inside FlexiFunnels. For example, fastest loading pages. Let me show you a quick case study, and then you can see the case studies for everything, right? Let's have a look at this. As per the data, for every 0.5 second when your website loads slow, you lose 20% of your traffic. This is what Google tells you, Walmart tells you, Amazon tells you, right? So no need for explanation. FlexiFunnels has the fastest loading pages. Similarly, we have FlexiProof. FlexiProof is these notifications for which I will show you something like this, in which you see Saurabh has purchased, Karthik has purchased, Rahul has purchased, these notifications. Let's have a look at this. People pay for these platforms separately. Let's have a look at this. People pay to companies like UseProof, right? For just 10,000 unique visitors, you pay $79 per month. Like, the monthly price of FlexiFunnels is less than just this, which is like a simple feature that we have inside FlexiFunnels. And this is a good company. This is a good company. Let's have a look at this. This is backed up by Y Combinator, right? The biggest investment group that is there. So it's backed by that. So you pay just for this product much more, right? That we give you as a simple feature. FlexiProof, right? Optimized checkout pages, A/B testing, all in one funnel platform. Facebook CAPI, which is like a mind-blowing. It improves your sales conversions like anything. So all of this combined, because of all the smart powers of FlexiFunnels, you make an extra these number of revenue. Cart abandon we have, right? Total monthly impact over 6 lakh rupees. If you are selling a product which is 10,000 rupees and you are getting only 10,000 monthly visitors, the moment you start getting 20,000 monthly visitors, the impact is much more. Maybe your conversion rate is just 1%, for example. Then again, 6 lakh extra revenue just because of FlexiFunnels. This is exactly the reason why we have so many testimonials wherein people have moved their products and pages and funnels from every other platform to FlexiFunnels, and they are seeing better conversions.